Let's talk about love. Maraming tao nasaktan sila, maraming taong malungkot, maraming taong galit, maraming taong mapaghiganti, maraming taong mapuot, maraming taong yung malungkot. Pero, alam niyo ba na sa lahat ng bagay na yan, isa lang yung solusyon? Love. Napaka-importante ng pagmamahal sa isang tao. Most of the time, when people are hurt, they give back what they feel. Kadalasan, people give back what they feel. So, if they hurt, then most probably, they hurt other people also. If they sad, they make other people sad. So, etc. Come to think of him, if a person is low, then what comes out on his mouth, his mind, and of his action is love. Kung yung isang tao ramdam niya na siya'y minamahal, siya'y mahal na mahal, kaya niyang iparamdam din yun sa iba. Therefore, napaka-importante na tayo mismo ma-realize natin na every ill feelings na meron tayo, ang solusyon ay pagmamahal. If you feel love, you will not feel hurt. If you feel love, you will not feel lonely or sad, angry. So, in the other ill feelings na pwedeng maramdaman ng isang tao, when you are loved, you are full. There is no space of any other emotions or any bad emotions kapag nararamdaman mo na minamahal ka or mahal ka. But, hindi ganun kadali na ibigay at hindi rin ganun kadali na i-practice. Some of us, we express our love in many different ways. Affirmation, touch, gift, service, and many more. Iba-iba tayo ng way how to express our love towards one another. And the most important thing, no matter what method or how you choose your love or express your love, hindi importante kung ano yung best method para sa'yo to express your love to other people. All the important is for you to just express your love anywhere, whenever, whatever, whoever you express it. Huwag kang pumili ng taong mamahalin, lahat mahalin mo. Huwag kang pumili ng lugar para mamahal, lahat ng lugar or tao, ipakita mo, or sa panahon, ipakita mo. So, every time ang mas magandang piliin mo. Sa kahit anong paraan, sa kahit sinong tao, you choose to express love. Those ill feeling na nararamdaman natin, mawawala yan if you feel love. Yung ill feelings na nararamdaman ng ibang tao, mawawala din yan if they feel love. Make sure that every time that you meet people, you show them how you love them. You tell them how you love them. In order for them to be full of love. And when they are full of love, no ill feelings can penetrate their hearts. Therefore, The only thing that they will give back is purely love.